Okay, welcome to my journal. So it's 13 November 2025, 12 p.m. So if you look at yesterday trade, I haven't started trading in today. So if you look at yesterday trade, yesterday I mentioned in previous video about the one trade and one ongoing trade. One trade was ongoing and one trade was finished. This was the losing trade. This is the first trade, lost $26.23, and this was the second trade. All these four trades as considered as one trade. I will explain added quantity and book partial. That's why it's showing different in uh, different rows. Okay, so let's go to chart. Here, market was pushing higher. Let me go to the exact example. Here, when we saw when this breakout, market just uh, showed strong breakout. One, two, three consecutive green candles. Then market started to uh, chop chop in this zone. This is the uh, channel formation. Market moving higher. I was looking to short here. If market spikes up, I was looking to short, but market didn't did that. Didn't did that, so I cancelled it. Cancelled that plan and decided to go long. So when market made this, let me take what? Yeah, here. If you look at this, one, two, three. This was the high one break. After the pullback, this was the high one entry, but I was not looking for an high one entry because we were we were in a channel, so I was expecting a deeper pullback. So in this, I didn't took this high one entry, and market did make high two entry here. I didn't took this also. Then after this high two fell, market gave this high three entry, high three entry. I took this trade right here, placed my stop loss below, and this was the losing trade, the first trade that I took. This one you can see 12:29 closing time 12:29. So why it's showing different time here? Well, I don't know, it's showing different time here. Maybe it was some time session something. So this was my first trade. uh, After this first trade, I was sure that market is going to push higher. So but I didn't want to risk my uh, again on the just like this with small stop loss. So when I saw this uh, entry after taking the loss, market made another H4 entry, high 4 entry. I just took the entry, but placing stop loss here, I didn't place my stop here. I instead placed my stop below the start of the move, start of this breakout, and targeted this high breakout. Obviously, second leg up. This was the first leg up, pull back, and second leg up. And I decided to add more quantity to reduce my stop loss, and uh, uh, manage my risk properly. So once this move started, and when this strong bearish candle, breakout candle came, two consecutive candle, market testing here and halted for here some time. So after this high one break, I add another quantity here by placing, but this stop this way. I made my stop loss here in this trade. Second position adding, I placed my stop loss here, and for the safer side, on the first trade, I made my stop loss here. So even if I take a loss, I wouldn't be taking a big loss. But if I made a profit, I would be making a bigger profit. That's why. So and the target was this high, expecting this high as a breakout. So when market started moving higher, continuously. This was a strong breakout that I was expecting. After this breakout, I broke around this area, around this. I booked my both the position here, and I did took partials here in this around here. When this candle came down, I booked my partials here to reduce my risk in case if market falls directly below and doesn't give an high one entry to reduce my risk. That's why I show different um, rows. I took partials there. I took partial here. Then I did my quantity here. Then I took partial around here when around this high. I took partials here and waited for the high. Then when I saw market is uh, not respecting, it's coming down, I just exited all my position because I'm scalping, and then I don't expect a big swings. If you look at the other trades, they just became like this trade. If I just hold this one, this was crazy, 1 to 10 hour or 1 to 20 hour, something like that. But I'm not swinging right now. I'm just scalping my trades. If you look at GBP, yesterday GBP trade, that was also became uh, crazy RR. Let me see that one. Where was that? This was the trade. This was the trade that I took short here. I just booked my target here around here. But this was also the crazy RR trade. What was the logic behind this trade? Was market was in a channel. If you look at here, market was in a channel. Let me take a trade. This was the first time, and this was the second time. Market was in a channel. This was the low, first low, and this was the second low. So market made the first high here, that came down. This was the first leg, pullback, second leg, pullback, and this was the third leg. Market usually makes three legs and then start gives a deeper retracement. So I was expecting a deeper retracement. That's why I took this trade. But this deeper retracement, uh, this deeper retracement just became a trend continuation on the higher time frame, because I don't just look at higher time frame at this moment because I'm just scalping and I focused on that for now. Maybe in future I will add this and hold some position for a swing trade, but not right now. Maybe I didn't took this trade on this account, maybe on some other account. Yeah, I didn't took this trade on this account. This was on the other account that I take that trade. Okay, so current account position is this, in loss of $15. So let's see how we can improve that. Thank you.